Hey guys, it's Birthdayyyy. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, basically just doing my makeup to take my own birthday pictures. So these are the pictures right here. I'll add them on the screen. I haven't taken them yet, but when I edit this video I'll like add them in or whatever obviously. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I do my makeup to take my own birthday pictures, then just keep on watching. So this is my reference picture for my makeup. I really wanted to look like this. I mean, I doubt it'll look exactly like that, but because I don't think I'm using glitter, because I hate glitter so much. But basically, let's just get started. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just gonna prime with the multitasker concealer, and then I'm gonna take this Rimmel London Stay Matte pressed powder. I'm just gonna set the concealer with this. So we're gonna take the Wahala 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and the first color that we're gonna take is Lit, which is like a corally, like a light coral color. We're also gonna take Yayo, which is like a light pink shade, and blend that out on the outer corner and into the crease on a M441 brush. Now on a M441 brush, we're going to take Too Much, which is like a bright pink shade, and put that on the outer corner. Now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette, and we're going to take the second to last pink. We're going to take that on an M441 brush as well. Okay, now I'm going to take Fame, which is like a white shimmer shade, and put that on the inner corner of my eye and onto the lid. We're going to do a wing eyeliner. I'm going to clean up the eyeliner a little bit with that multitasker concealer on a flat brush. So now we're going to move on to face. So first I'm just going to take the multitasker concealer and just conceal some of my dark spots. I'm also going to take this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer and just like mix it in a little bit with this, just to make it more of my skin color. For foundation, I'm going to be using the duo that that's been like my go-to recently, which is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Warm Beige, and the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. And for under eye concealer, we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. And this is really light for me, but I like a really bright under eye. And then we're going to take that multitasker concealer and just conceal my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Then I'm going to set that with the Stay Matte pressed powder. Okay, and now for cream bronzer, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C13.2. Now for cream blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place in the shade Rosy Posy. And we're going to move on to under the eyes, and we're going to take Too Much from the Juvia's Place palette and just pop that right under my eyes, and also blend it under the eyeliner. I'm going to go off camera and put on a lash and do my lips, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love it so much. I just love pink and white. I feel like it goes together so well, and I just love it, and I'm really excited to take my pictures and see what it looks like on camera. I mean, this is on camera obviously, but I mean like photos and stuff. So I'm just really excited. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. Will also be linked down below for your convenience. Follow me on TikTok because I am always posting on TikTok when I'm not posting on YouTube. So if you guys want to see more of me, follow me over on there. But like I said, please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, and I would love to have you join the family. So yeah, I'll add some more of my birthday pictures that I took at the end of this video right here so you guys can see how it turned out. I'm really excited to take them and just see how they turn out. I took some over the past like few years of myself. Maybe I'll add those in here as well. But yeah, if you guys like me, just subscribe and all that good stuff. Watch another video if you want to see more of me, and yeah, I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.